The idea behind Mercedes-Benz has always been to bring people together through mobility. I know our clip took this idea to a new level, but that's what CES is about. A new level of imagination in a digital world. Take our vision Urbanetic, for example. An autonomous and electric people mover that is staging its premiere in the US here at the CES. In the interior, we created a sci-fi-like symbiosis of the virtual and the real worlds, a space of digital experience. The focus is a new 360-degree display for infotainment, travel information, or even personalized greetings. Passengers can also use their smartphones for augmented reality features, such as highlighting vehicle surroundings. The empathy of the vision Urbanetic was particularly important to us. The vehicle is attentive and interacts with people through various lighting elements. With these kinds of vehicles, we're shooting for the moon, and that's a crucial part of innovation. Speaking of, when Mercedes-Benz applies its core values to future mobility, it can lead to something like this, our new EQC. You just saw it in the clip. Like the vision Urbanetic, it started as a bold idea. As you can see, it turned out very well. It's the first Mercedes launched under our new EQ brand. The Mercedes-Benz among electric vehicles, so to speak. Soon, we will have many more. We aim for over 10 purely electric passenger cars by the year 2022. This will cover the entire portfolio from smart to large SUVs. The future is definitely electric. And speaking of the future, we show very clearly where the technological direction of our company is heading. Our vehicles are now platforms of digital progress, and we operate as a software company with more flexibility and adapting with agility to new developments and customer requirements. Take the energizing coach, a new feature we introduced with our new GLE. You can connect the car to your wearable, like a Garmin smartwatch. As a result, our energizing coach can detect stress and tiredness and suggest a suitable comfort program to get you happy and relaxed again. This is possible thanks to our further improvement infotainment system, MBUX. Last year, it had its world premiere here at the CES with our new A-Class. And we are very proud that it was just honored with a 2019 CES Innovation Award. We will have MBUX this year in more than 10 further models, the B-Class, the EQC, and several SUV variants, among others. Today, we present the latest release in the CLA. So to say, our CLA is a best-of compilation of 2018 and all the features our customers appreciate the most. We further enhanced the software behind MBUX so that it allows drivers to speak to their cars even more naturally, just like talking to your co-driver. Do you remember the past? Some people yelled at their cars, just like a drill sergeant breaking in new recruits. Air condition, now. These times are over. Calmly tell the vehicle that you're hot and the air conditioning will take over. You can even ask very complex questions like, hey Mercedes, I'm looking for an Asian restaurant in Las Vegas, no sushi, but with at least a 4-star rating.
Please select an entry.
I'm not even sure you could ask your human co-driver this without getting the look. As a step further, the CLA is our first compact car that offers our new interior assistant. As you can see here, our new interior assistant makes the interaction with your car even more intuitive. Ladies and gentlemen, CES is a place for innovations that make our lives not only easier, but also more exciting and more fun. Our new star represents exactly that. I'm very proud to present to you a car that is stylish and highly innovative. As I said, it suits the crowd around here very well. It's fully connected, it will enhance their lives, and true to its tradition, we've done everything we can to make it an icon of great design. Please welcome the ultimate wearable, the Mercedes-Benz CLA.
Ola already mentioned the further improved MBUX. Moreover, the new CLA offers the latest driving assistance systems from the S-Class. For example, the car is now able to drive partly autonomously in certain situations. The car also has aerodynamics with an outstanding CD value of 0.23. So, what does that mean? Well, with this four-seater, we have pretty much the same aerodynamics as two-time Ironman winner Jan Frodeno on his racing bike. Ladies and gentlemen, we are confident that the new CLA will be loved by our customers again. It will further strengthen our brand, which has already established itself among the best of the world. Do you need proof points? As announced by the US brand consulting company Interbrand, we entered the top 10 of world's most valuable brands in 2018.